This order was delivered to Accra. A customer called and requested for gluten-free bread and cake. So she requested for pumpkin and millet cake and also oats and soya bean bread. So no white flour, no wheat, purely gluten-free. They look delicious and at the same time taste delicious. I woke up like 4:30 a.m. because I wanted to bake and deliver the same day since I'm at the central region and the person is at Greater Accra. I needed to wake up very early. So I'm working on my pumpkin. After washing, the next thing I did was to cook it. Yes, you have to cook it for it to be very tender. If you want the detailed recipe, I have the recipe on my YouTube channel, Max Kitchen. And so check my bio for the link and then follow the recipe. Okay, so I read a post whereby someone was asking, how does it feel to be in your 30s, that is 30 and above, and you don't have any assets to your name? So I'm going to line my baking pan with parchment paper. And my question to the person was, which law states that one should have assets in their name by 30 or in their 30s? I mean, which law say that it is compulsory to have an asset at the age of 30 or when you are 30 and above? We tend to stress ourselves too much. There is no law anywhere that if you are in your 30s, you must get assets in your name by force. Just relax and live your life one day at a time. Okay, some will get assets in their 20s, some will get it in their 30s, some will get it in their 40s, some will even get it in their 60s. So why the stress? Why do you think that because someone is 30 and above, the person must have a house at all costs, the person must have a car, the person must have some assets? Why? That shouldn't be. So I'm adding baking powder and baking soda to my millet flour. The millet, I process it myself. Because it's a pumpkin, if you don't add baking soda, your cake is going to be like banku. Do you get it? So make sure you add baking soda. And so in this life, there is no strict rule or strict law that when you are 30 you should have this, when you are 40 you should have this. No, everybody and their journey. You need to understand that Obian and journey, everybody and why God created them, everybody and what they will achieve in this life. So this is it. I'm going to put it in the oven. This, you have to give it time for it to bake very well so that the inside will cook very well. So I'm going to work on the oats and the soya bean bread. So purely oats and soya bean. That is what I'm working on. And so this order was for gluten-free, but I'll also bake gluten bread, like wheat bread, purely wheat bread, wheat soya, wheat coconut, wheat banana, wheat cornbread, and others, wheat seeds and nuts. Do you get it? And so just contact me and let's know your location and know how we can deliver some to you. We don't add sugar to the bread. We don't add margarine. We use honey and other healthy oils. Do you get it? And we also use raisins in our bread. Okay. And so this life, everybody and their journey. Okay. So if you are 30, you are 40 or 50 and you don't have assets in your name, it doesn't mean you are a failure. There is time for everyone. So far as you are doing the right things, so far as you are not giving up on yourself and you are still pushing, if the time comes for you to own certain things like a car or a house or a land or some property or assets, you will definitely have it. Do you get it? Okay, so my bread is also ready baked. So I baked 2 of the oat bread and then 2 of the pumpkin and millet cakes. So this is it, looking so delicious, and it's actually delicious. So let me give you a closer view. So you see our pumpkin cake and all this is pumpkin and millet, and also our oat and soya bean bread. And I'm going to package this for my customer. Yes, so this was very awesome. So you can also bring your orders. We make pure wheat bread, not the kind of wheat bread you see in the market. Do you get it? Pure wheat bread. So this is it. Bring your orders, okay? And so this life, take it easy, relax. Relax, don't put stress on yourself. Hey, I'm 30, I don't have a car, I don't have a house, I don't have a wife, I don't have children. Please relax. Everybody and their journey, and allow yourself to go through the process. Live your life one day at a time, and at the right time, God said, when the time is right, I will make it happen. And so this is it. After packaging it, I'm going to also package it in a poly, and then we'll take it to this. We'll take it to station, give it to a driver to deliver it for us. So this is it. I'm going to sellotape it. Yes, then I'll put it into another poly bag. Yes, and so guys, live your life one day at a time. Make good use of what you have at your disposal, and at the right time, whatever asset you desire, if it's God's will, you are going to have it. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.